I'm Tim Lanier. I'm the owner of Killian Automotive. I really had no interests other than cars. I grew up around the racetrack with my dad. He would take me to the local dirt track, Dixie Speedway in Woodstock, Georgia. Worked on cars for several years. My dad just threw an idea in my mind. He said, "Tim, you need to open your own shop." One of our core values is integrity, and we like to be transparent as part of that. So we do a digital vehicle inspection, and we're going to look the car over and we'll take pictures, and we want customers to see what we see. It's always people before profits. We take care of each other and we take care of our customers.
Just a great culture. It starts with our leader, starts with Tim. We're all about family, taking care of people. It's not all about the money. We understand the urgency to get your car back to you, but we need to do a good job, and it needs to be repaired correctly the first time because that's the most convenient for the customer.
We give a great warranty, a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty. That's pretty much unheard of in the automotive industry. That means a lot to me.
My wife was very comfortable with the way the shop was laid out. It's clean, it's professional. In my world, when my wife and my children are comfortable with something, it typically leads to loyalty.
I found that the Killian team was very thorough, end-to-end service and inspection, and moreover, incredibly honest and transparent. I would encourage anyone to come to any one of Tim's locations.
We want customers to know that we're going to take care of their vehicle. They're in good hands. We have very professional advisors. They're friendly. Reinforces that trust factor. I'm really lucky that my family's involved in the business. My son works for us at one of the locations. Angie also plays a big role. She does so much. We do it together. It's worked really well for us. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. We hope you'll give us a try, and we'll do a good job for you.